MULN stock analysis and MULN stock prediction. In this brief and short 1-minute video, what I will be breaking down is my exact play with Mullen Automotive. You know, as we're briefly sitting at 20 cents, and this is another 12% day correction, right? What is the likelihood that we keep melting down? Well, it's quite high if you ask me. Like, and if I come here with MULN, you will see that I have gotten like 40 results. And the key part about this is the likelihood that it keeps melting down is high. You know what I mean? So even if I pop in here, I have like 40 results. There's a lot of freaking, you know, coverage on MULN that I've done, but like it's beginning to get boring, man. What is the likelihood that this price keeps melting? Well, it's quite high, and it doesn't necessarily mean that I'm immediately gonna sell. You know what I mean? So that's how MULN is looking like. I have everything documented on my YouTube channel with 43,000 videos. Now, if you want my exact blueprint picks plus Discord, then just click the first thing in the description. 1,200 people already been through it.